Our team name is the Foil, and in our group is Luciana, Birkin, John, and Luke.
Angelina's problem is that she forgot the cooler for the popsicles. The popsicles are going to melt at the soccer game.
In our project, we used a cardboard box, and for the top we used foam. And then we cut a hole in the foam, and then we took some tin foil and covered it up, and then we taped it down. And then we taped the other side of it, so then we can flap it up. And then on the bottom, we used the aluminum foil, so the cracks of the side of the cardboard box don't break open.
We put our design to the test, and we had a lamp that represented the sun, and we put our project with the popsicle in it under the lamp for 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes, we took our popsicle out of our project, and we poured the liquid into a graduated cylinder, and we got 26 milliliters.
We think our design was successful because we used a lot of insulators, and some of those insulators were aluminum foil, tin foil, and foam.